Welcome to the NHS Databases Features and Tips series. Today, we'll look at WorldBook Online, a great resource to begin the research process. Let's start with the home screen. If you are prompted to log in, the username and password is the same for all NHS databases and can be found in your student planner. It's required when accessing databases from outside of school. The username is NHS Student and the password is NHS LIB. Now that I've entered my username and password, I'll select Student, which is the high school version of WorldBook. This will bring us to the search screen, where we'll enter a search term. I'll use the World Trade Center as an example. The left side of the screen shows the total results and organizes them by type of information. The more than 1,700 results include encyclopedia articles, images, maps, videos, and more. To view results, simply click on them by category. Let's take a closer look at the encyclopedia article results. The first article is entitled World Trade Center. I can open the article by clicking on the title or by clicking on Read More. But before I do that, I'll scan the results so I can make choices about the best articles for my topic and assignment. For my research, I need general information on the World Trade Center, so I'll open the article at the top of the page. I like to initially scroll through an article to get a sense of its overall length and organization. There are several tools and features that are worth noting. First, on the left-hand side, there's a live table of contents that I can use to navigate the article. That same table of contents can be viewed with this Contents link above the article. The Media link shows me any images or graphics associated with my article topic. There's also a settings icon that reveals several helpful tools. An important tool is citation that will give me formatted citations for this article in different styles. You'll need this for your works cited page. Finally, if I double-click a word in the article, WorldBook will define the word for me. This can be very helpful if I find the article challenging. WorldBookStudent is a great resource to find factual overviews of topics when you're beginning a research task. Good luck.